Bitcoin and Ethereum, what's its next move on my birthday? Let's find out in the charts, shall we? Oh my goodness. It took off. Bitcoin took off exactly as predicted. I was saying that this was the jump off point, right? We take it along and look at that. We're going to talk about where you take profits here on this particular trade, right? What to do with your stop losses and all that, and all that good stuff, and also on Ethereum as well. Well, as you know, right, again, today's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Thank you to my good friend who bought me this cake. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. It was an awesome surprise this morning, and I loved it. Oh my goodness, right? I'm going to be giving away a whole Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. You're going to have to leave a message, not in the live stream, but in this video that you're watching on YouTube, and also be a subscriber or a member of the public Telegram group. Links are in the description below. Make sure that you're in that group as well. Leave a comment, and I'm going to select the commenter from that on the weekend, right, to win one whole Bitcoin for my birthday celebration. So and then we're going to announce that person sometime next week. So it's going to be awesome. It's going to be life-changing for one person. Hopefully you do something cool with that. And I also want to know, right, what are you going to do if you won that whole Bitcoin? Please tell me in the description, in the comment section below, what are you going to do if you win a whole Bitcoin? So let's get on to the TA, right? But remember, right, this is trading entertainment, not financial advice. Please do your own research before putting any money in the market, and let's get on with it. Well, wow, it's exactly as predicted. We talked about it yesterday, right? Take a 2%, if it breaks out here, take a 2% loss on this thing if it were to come back at you, and then a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which is right up here. So you could start by moving your stop to break even. It was approximately, there we go, $48,200 there, and you can move your stop to break even around the $46,300 level. You can see that we are going to make it up to that level there, as you can see. Quite surprised, right? I thought this was going to hold, but it did not, and boom, once it broke up, that was it. That was your signal to get into a trade, and here you go. There it is. Boom. Just like that. Bitcoin, right? You know what? For my birthday wish, it broke up and broke higher. Thank you very much, the birthday gods, for that. And yeah, we're going to see Bitcoin. I don't know if we're gonna have to re-examine the situation around the $48,000 mark. But one of the things you need to know about trading is whenever we get into a trade and it breaks higher, and we've already broken higher from this level here, and if it continues up to our target level, how far there can it go? Well, the answer is always look left. And what is that? You see this big bar here. So this bar gets filled really fast once we get into this area, right in the 48,000-ish area. So you could probably see this thing rapidly move up to the $50,000, $56,000 level very, very fast, and retest the top end of the range here. So I'm looking forward to seeing that happen. Should we continue on higher? We could always roll over here, right? Because if you look at the volume, it's a little concerning, and we do have of course, the divergence that is there, that's been confirmed. So you have to trade with caution here. Trade with caution. We have created somewhat of a cup and handle pattern in a little tiny 4-hour candle. So we popped up a little bit. So there it is. That has been, I think that cup and handle has completed basically. And yeah, you can see it if we zoom down on, this is the hourly actually, right? So if you zoom down to the 15-minute, let's go there to the 15-minute and make that bigger. You can see the little tiny cup and handle pattern that played out, and boom, and I think that has played itself out pretty much. No, not really. Let's see here. So the target for this cup and handle should be right, from here to there, and we're gonna take that and bring it all the way up here. So yeah, it's right, I think it looks like our target is right where we are about to take profits. So yeah, at the $48,000 level. So somewhere around there is where you can see that this couple of handle pattern will play out to that level. And so that could mean that we can see this thing blast off even higher just once we get into that, you know, that other zone, where there's no trading when you look left. And yeah, it's gonna be a blast. It's gonna be a blast. It's gonna be a birthday blast. All right, so let's head over to Ethereum. And before we do, just remember, if you want to join our group, right, you can get 75% off, right, off of the DaVinciJ15.com. Access to the Telegram group where you can watch our show live. You can see what I'm trading. You can see what Lee is trading. We have a trader that is doing a fantastic job, as you've seen if you've been watching the show. All right, let's head over to Ethereum and take a look at what Ethereum is doing. Yes, it has done pretty much the same thing. It's broken out of this trend line here that I thought it had to do a little bit of a rollover test and then come back and then break through, but nope, it's broken through. Not as strong as Bitcoin, but there is a little bit of a breakout there. So hopefully we can see Ethereum do a catch up. So once it goes above the let's see here, approximately $3,556 level, you can see $3,577 actually. You can see that we can this thing could pop up a lot higher very fast and get us to the $3,800 level quite quickly. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing that happen. Let's head over to Bitcoin. I mean, what's it called? No, the dominance, right? And the Bitcoin dominance, and it is like looking scary for the alts. Looking real scary for the alts. We are touching now the trend line that I've drawn for a while there, and you can see if we break higher, we could end up with this trend line or even the 200 period moving average. Ouch. That would be catastrophic. But right now you can see things are starting to deflate. Oh, Solana, oh my God, sorry Solana, man. Wow, they got hit really badly. And last time I heard the chain was down. So I don't know what's going on with Solana. Hopefully they get their act together and get things back up and running, because that can't work in a smart contract system, right? Because if you have like trades on here, right, leverage trades on here, you're so messed up, man. So this is why Ethereum is probably going to be the king of all smart contract platforms that you're going to run on, because it's the most reliable. All right, well, with that said, remember, we're going to be giving away one whole Bitcoin. I'm looking forward to that. Make sure that you participate in that by one, right? Hitting the like, right? Thank you for hitting the like button on my birthday. Really appreciate that. And also, leaving a comment. Tell me what you're going to do with that whole Bitcoin if you got it. And also joining my public Telegram group. Links in the description below. And the reason why you want to win that whole Bitcoin is because Bitcoin's real, Bitcoin's here to stay, and you need to be a part of it. Thanks for watching.